Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Payal here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be pretty interesting because I'm going to try out a hack with a cardboard which has been showed by one of my favorite YouTuber. Her name is Neeta Deepak. So yesterday I was watching a video in which she was showing that doing a cat eye is really easy with a cardboard. So I thought that, dude, hack cat eye, I am all for it. So I thought of trying this out. I thought of trying it on camera itself so that you guys can also see how it's turning out. Whether I'm failing or passing, I really don't know, but I'm excited and nervous at the same time. So yeah, let's get started with that. But before that, there's a disclaimer. My fan is off, so you guys might be seeing me sweating. If you see me sweating, please excuse me for that, because if I put on the fan, you are going to hear a lot of background noise, which is absolutely not pleasant to the ear. And on top of that, you're already hearing one background noise, which is a construction work just going beside my house. So yeah, please bear with me in this video. I'm really sorry for all the disclaimers. Now without further ado, let's get started. But before that, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी जाओ और सब्सक्राइब करो, और उसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कर देना ताकि एवरी टाइम आई अपलोड यू गेट नोटिफाइड अबाउट इट. सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Alright guys, so I've already done my base, so we are directly going to start off with the eye. Now in that hack, she showed that just take a cardboard. Now my cardboard is pretty huge. You don't need to take this big a cardboard. You can take a small piece of it. That will also be fine. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take your kajal. So over here I am taking the Faces Canada Magnet Eyes Kajal. Now what you're going to do is you are going to apply this kajal at the edge of the cardboard, just like that. Can you see this? Okay, this is the first time I'm doing something like this. I am pretty, dude, मैंने पीछे भी लगा दिया है काजल. मैं क्या हूँ यार, एक भी काम ढंग से नहीं होता. और थोड़ा सा लगा लेती हूँ. Yeah, I think we are sorted for the time being. Now then, what we will have to do is we will have to place the cardboard like this, okay, like this. तो ऐसे एंगल में उसको लगाना है, and then we are going to close our eyes and we are going to smudge it inwards. So that's the hack. Now I am showing it to you with the opposite side because अगर मैं इस साइड में करूँ, अगर लग गया ना तो हो गया मेरा. तो मैं ये इससे ट्राई करती हूँ, स्टार्ट करती हूँ, अब देखती हूँ कैसा होता है. So I am taking a brush like this. It is a flat brush. This is my trusty brush, so I am going to take this. Now what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm really scared now. I think I'm going to place it right over here. I think I will do that like just like this. Can you guys see it? I'll do it just like this. Then I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to start blending. Okay, I don't know how is it going on. आप लोगों को ही दिख रहा है कैसे जा रहा है, मुझे तो कुछ नहीं दिख रहा. आई एम लाइक लिटरली ब्लाइंड, एंड बिकॉज मेरे सामने ना उतना अच्छा कुछ है नहीं, मतलब क्या ही मैं बोलूँ, मिरर. तो मेरे लिए मैं तो कम्प्लीटली ब्लाइंड काइंड ही दिख रही हूँ अभी. लेट्स सी, आई जस्ट ट्राई टू डू माई बेस्ट. आई होप आई डोंट मेस अप माई बेस विद दिस. गॉड, लेट्स सी. अगर इधर उधर कुछ हो भी जाता है, वी विल क्लीन इट अप लेटर ऑन. ओके, होली शिट, व्हाट डिड आई डू मैन? I don't know what did I do. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll just take my brush like so and I'm going to buff it in, okay? उससे तो मेरा नहीं हो पाया. I just failed, man. I just literally failed. Okay, I think now it's better. I just buffed it in. Yeah, this is looking much better. What do you guys think? Isn't it looking good? Yes. I just realized मैंने कहाँ गलती किया है. मैंने ये तो ऐसे प्लेस किया था क्या हुआ, ब्लेंड करते करते ये थोड़ा ना इधर उधर हो गया, मतलब उसका पोजीशन हट गया था, तो इसीलिए वो जो शार्प प्रिसाइज वाला साइड आना चाहिए एकदम एज में, वो नहीं आया मेरा। तो अगर आप लोग ये हैक ट्राई कर रहे हो, मेक श्योर दैट योर कार्डबोर्ड इज़ नॉट मूविंग। इफ़ इट इज़ मूविंग अवे, एंड टेक अ स्मॉल पीस ऑफ इट विच इज़ मोर, व्हाट कैन आई से, जो आप लोग हैंडल कर पाओ। ऐसा बड़ा मत लेना, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, राइट? आई हैव टेकन अ बड़ा वन, बट इन हर वीडियो शी हैज़ टेकन अ वेरी स्मॉल पीस ऑफ इट, लाइक समथिंग of this size, so she did it really well. This thing works, but you will have to be careful with your cardboard. It shouldn't move here and there, it should be in one position, so that is must. Alright, my camera didn't record that part, so after that what I have done is I have completed the same thing on the other eye, and then I have taken my Revolution X Patricia Bright eyeshadow palette, and from this palette I have taken up this brown shade right here, and I have lightly, because this palette is supremely pigmented, so I have very lightly dusted the brown color on my eyelid. I have done it on both the eyes. Now what I am going to do is I am going to take my concealer. I will take a little bit of it at the back of my hand, because this look needs a little bit of cleaning to make it more sharper. So then I am going to take one flat brush. I am going to take a little bit of concealer, okay, a very little, and I am going to put it right over here. Can you see? This is instantly making it more sharper, okay? I'll take my ring finger and I'll very lightly dab it, because I don't want this concealer to go everywhere. I just want it to get set right over there, so that my eyeshadow can look a little bit more sharper. That's it. That's what I'll do. The same thing on the other eye as well. So I'll take some more concealer. That's it, okay? I'll just blend it downwards a little bit. I'll again take my ring finger and I'm going to slightly, very slowly, very slowly, okay? Don't rush, okay? जब मेकअप कर रहे हो ना, उतना रश मत करना, ठीक है? धीरे धीरे करना, थोड़ा ही स्टेप करना, बट धीरे धीरे करना, तो मेकअप बहुत अच्छा टर्न आउट होता है। बस, that's it. It's sorted now. Alright, after that what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same kajal and I'm going to tight line just like so, to give it more definition, and also I'm going to place the same kajal on my waterline as well. That's it. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye as well. Now what I'm going to do is, in order to add a little bit more definition to my eyelid, I'm going to take the same kajal, I'm going to apply it in a very small amount on my upper eyelid, just like that, on the outer side. That's it. And inner maybe I will do a little bit of it, because ताकि lower lash line में थोड़ा smoky effect है, तो मैं थोड़ा सा ही करूँगी, ज़्यादा नहीं, because this is hell pigmented and I don't want to mess up my eye look because of this supreme pigmentation. So now I'm going to take that same brush, I'm going to buff the kajal on my upper eyelid so that it gives me a little bit more of definition. Okay, just like that. I hope it's done now. Yeah, it's done. And I'm also going to smudge my lower lash line as well, just like that. This kajal, you know, if you take a small amount of this kajal, if you apply a small amount of this kajal, it goes a long way, because this kajal is hell pigmented. So I'm going to continue blending the kajal on my lower lash line. मतलब मैंने थोड़ा ही लिया था, पर देखो कितना सारा लग रहा है ना, तो that's why I have taken a little bit of it and I am blending it. Okay, I think I'm sorted. I'll do the same thing on the other eye as well. Now we are going to highlight our inner corner and the brow bone. Now for that I am taking this palette from Sugar Cosmetics. I've used the bronzer and the blush on my face today as well. So I'll take this highlighting shade and I will be placing it in my inner corner just like that. Highlighting your inner corner automatically opens up your eye, and I'm also going to highlight my brow bone. That's it. I'll do the same thing on the other side as well. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. Yeah, so pump it like this, do it like this, and also take it like this. Try this hack, it's going to make a lot of difference to your lashes. I'll do it one more time because who doesn't want a good curled lash, right? That's it. I'll do the same thing on the other eye as well. That's it. Now I am going to coat my lashes with a generous amount of mascara because usually I go for a false lash, but today I'm not because she also didn't go for a false lash, but you can definitely go for it. I want the eyes to do all the talking today, so I'll just coat my lashes with a lot of mascara. I'll do the same thing on the other eye as well. Now the lips are only left. Now in her video she applied a lip liner all over her lips and she topped it up with a gloss. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use two shades, two different lipstick. I will not go with the gloss. So the first one is Whirl by MAC. It's a very good nude color, as you can see. I'm going to use this one, and after that I'm going to top it up with another lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty. It's the shade Icon. So first let us use Whirl on our lips. Yeah, so it's pretty brown. On this I'm going to top it up with Icon. So what I'll do is I'll take the applicator, I'm going to dot it just like that, and then I'm going to spread it with my fingers. So in this way I'm getting a very peachy nude color. That's it. I think it's looking bomb. What do you guys think? Alright you guys, so that is it for this look. I think this hack works superb. The only mistake that I did is I have moved my cardboard from its place. So you will have to be very particular with the way you are clipping your cardboard. If you can master that thing, dude, you are going to do the cat eye superbly. You know, it's very easy in that way. So thank you to Smigta Deepak for showing us this hack, because this hack really works. The only thing is that you will have to take a smaller piece of cardboard and you will have to place your cardboard at a steady position. You cannot do this. No, then it will not work. You will have to keep it steady. I'm loving how this look has turned out. What do you guys think? Do you love this look? If you do, let me share your thoughts in the comment section. If you like today's video, you know the drill. You will have to click on the like button. You will also have to subscribe ना करके मत जाना यार, बहुत मेहनत होता है. अभी गर्मी में आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो, so मेहनत लगता है. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, हिट द बेल आइकन and leave a comment with any video that you want me to do or anything of your choice. Just leave a comment, that will do. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.